Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the latest mid-range offering from Honor, the Honor X9c. This smartphone has sparked a lot of interest, and Honor claimed that this is the most durable smartphone in 2024. And today, we are unpacking everything it offers, from its sleek design to performance and camera capabilities. Let's see what makes the Honor X9c 5G stands out. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. The first thing that commands attention with the Honor X9c is its stunning design. Honor has once again showcased its mastery of premium aesthetics, delivering a sleek, ultra-slim 7.98mm profile and lightweight build of just 189 grams. While the form factor mirrors its predecessor, the X9b, the X9c manages to stand out with its refined craftsmanship. The back panel on the sunrise orange variant features a luxurious smooth leather finish, exuding sophistication and elegance. The phone is available in a vibrant palette of colors, including titanium purple, titanium black, jade cyan, and the striking sunrise orange, each one a head-turner. The ergonomic edge design ensures a comfortable grip, making it as practical as it is beautiful. Beyond looks, the X9c is built tough, boosting SGS certification for 2-meter drop resistance, a significant leap in durability standards. In my hands-on test, I dropped the device and it emerged unscathed, providing its resilience. This phone isn't just a visual treat, it's a perfect blend of style and strength. Now let's dive into the display. Arguably one of the Honor X9c's stands-out features. It boasts a stunning 6.78-inch curved Full HD Plus 1.5K AMOLED screen, matching the size of its predecessor, again the X9b. However, the real upgrade lies in its peak brightness, which soars to an incredible 4,000 nits, far surpassing the X9b's 1,200 nits. This means the X9c performs exceptionally well even in direct sunlight, ensuring your content remains vivid and clear. The colors are rich and vibrant, the blacks are real deep, and the viewing angles are exceptional, making it a joy to use for streaming, gaming, or casual browsing. To top it off, the 120Hz high refresh rate ensures buttery smooth swipes and seamless animation, delivering an experience that feels as fast as it looks. This display is crafted to elevate your visual experience to the new heights. Now under the hood, the Honor X9c is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. While this is the same processor used in last year's model, it feels like a missed opportunity for an upgrade. Something like the Qualcomm's 7 Gen 2 would have elevated its performance significantly. That said, the X9c compensates with an impressive 12GB of RAM paired with 12GB of RAM Turbo, providing a robust boost to overall performance. Despite the older chipset, the device handles daily tasks effortlessly and offers a solid experience for mid-level gaming. Apps load swiftly, multitasking is seamless, and lag is rarely an issue. Running on Honor's latest macOS 8.0 atop Android 14, the X9c delivers a modern software experience packed with advanced customization options, smooth animations, and thoughtful features designed to enhance usability. While it's not breaking new ground in processing power, the combination of optimized software and ample memory ensures a reliable and enjoyable user experience. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Honor X9c features a capable dual camera setup led by a 108MP primary sensor with OIS and EIS stabilization. While this matches the X9b's main camera, Honor has omitted the X9b's 2MP macro lens in favor of software-based macro mode. In practice, the primary camera delivers sharp, detailed images and excellent color accuracy in daylight, making your shots vibrant and true to life. In low-light scenarios, the night mode performs admirably, reducing noise and bringing out finer details to enhance your photos. Complementing the main lens is a 5MP ultra-wide sensor, perfect for capturing expansive landscape or adding a creative touch to your shots. On the video side, the main camera supports up to 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, delivering smooth and detailed footage for your content creation needs. For selfies, the 16MP front camera shines with crisp, natural-looking images that highlight skin tones beautifully, making it a reliable companion for social media-worthy shots. Whether you're capturing moments or creating content, The Honor X9c's camera system is versatile enough to get the job done. Battery life is another highlight of the Honor X9c. It houses a massive 6,600 mAh battery, which is a significant upgrade compared to X9b's 5,800 mAh battery, which easily lasts through a full day with typical usage. Even for power users, this phone can keep up. And when it's time to charge, the upgraded 66 watts supercharge gets you back to full power in no time, minimizing downtime and maximizing the usage. The Honor X9c is also 5G ready, ensuring you stay connected with high-speed data wherever you go. It has also the essentials like a fast and reliable fingerprint sensor, as well as facial recognition for quick unlocking. Honor has also included some nice extra like AI OIS motion sensing capture, so it's good for moving subjects and AI eraser. With all these features, the Honor X9c is priced competitively at 1,299 dirhams here in Dubai. It offers a sleek design, durable display, solid performance, a great camera system, a massive battery and fast charging, all wrapped in a premium package. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone just looking for a reliable daily driver, the Honor X9c is definitely worth considering. Alright, that's for today's review of the latest Honor X9c 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.